Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see what we will plan for the October month syllabus for playgroup kids. Actually, in the month of October, we can do lot of assessment activities. So let's have a quick view of what we started from the month of June. So, the syllabus for playgroup kids is English writing, where they will master writing the stroke, standing and sleeping lines. Then the letters L, T, H, I, E, F. Then A to Z recognition. Number writing is from 1 to 10. Then basic shapes. In the month of June, we did settling activities, and in the month of July we introduced the child to writing tools. Then we did some coloring and scribbling activities, standing line and sleeping line strokes, eye hand coordination activities, all those things. In the month of August, the theme was rainy season and my country India, and the letters and numbers which were introduced were 1, L and 4. In the month of September, the theme was animals and primary colors, and the number and letters were 7, T and 5. So, in the month of October, let's do assessment activities or give assessment activities for the child, so that we will understand how much the child has learned. So let's get started. The first assessment worksheet is, let's see how much the child can identify the alphabets from A to Z if you have introduced. Otherwise, just write the letters which you have introduced for the child and ask him to identify. Once the child identifies, just put a small tick. Like, ask the child, what is this? A. If the child identifies, just put a small tick. Then point the letter L and ask, what alphabet or letter is this? The child will say L. Then just put a tick. If the child does not identify any letter or alphabet, just put a dash like this. So this is for alphabets A to Z. Then comes your numbers from 1 to 10. Same way, ask the child to identify the number. If the child identifies, put a tick, otherwise put a dash, so that you will get an idea like how much the child recognizes or identifies. Then the same thing with the basic shapes also. Circle, square, triangle, heart. Just put a tick, otherwise put a dash if the child does not identify. Since we have introduced animals theme in the month of September, you can ask the child to identify the animals that you have introduced to the child. Like this, you can ask the child, what is this? Just put a tick. Otherwise, if the child does not identify, just put a dash. Like this, you can ask the child to identify the animals. Then comes the next one, that is identification of basic colors. So the child will say yellow color, blue color, red color, like this. If the child identifies, put a tick, otherwise put a dash. Put a tick or dash. Like this, you can ask the child to identify the primary colors or the basic colors which we have introduced the child. Then comes our assessment for sleeping and standing line patterns. Here it is, sleeping line. Ask the child to trace on the dotted lines. Like this you can give. Then few other brainstorming worksheets or logic thinking worksheets you can give for the child, or just these are the examples. For example, this is a plant. Ask the child, where do we plant a plant? Is it in the toothbrush, flower pot or plant? The child says flower pot. Ask the child to join the picture to the associating object by drawing lines. So shirt and pant goes together. Then toothpaste and toothbrush goes together. Then your cot and door, cot and pillow or cot and book. The child will say cot and pillow. So ask the child to draw the line from the cot to the pillow. Next comes, ask the child, where do you keep the books? Do you keep it on the door? Do you keep it on the pillow? Do you keep the books in the bookshelf? So the child will say books are kept in the bookshelf. So draw like line till the book. Then ask, a house has door, pillow or book? The child will answer door. So ask the child to draw the door to the house. Then one more worksheet is, ask the child, aquarium is for chair, candle, socks or fishes? So the child will say fish. So ask the child to draw line. Table, chair. Ask the child, this is cake. What do you have on the cake on your birthday? So the child will say candles. Shoe and socks. Then comes other logic worksheets like gas stove and cylinder. So ask the child to draw. What do you keep in the fridge? Ice tray, shirt or gas cylinder? The child will say ice cube trays. What do you keep or put in the washing machine? Ice tray, cloths, gas cylinder, cloths. Then this is one more, that is again you are giving the child repeated activities or repeated worksheet. Cot, on cot Do you have flower pot or pillow? Pillow. So circle the pillow. Stove. On stove, do you have or do you keep flour, vase or pan? So the child will say pan. So circle it. In fridge, we keep ice cream or dresses? Ice cream. In washing machine, do we wash pan or clothes? Clothes. In fish bowl or aquarium, we have chicks or birds or fishes. So the child will circle the fish. Like this you can give many brainstorming or logic thinking activities for the child. Thank you for watching.